I will never look at these foods the same way again after learning what they do for your liver. Check this out. First up, we've got beets. These vibrant veggies are packed with antioxidants and nutrients that help detoxify your liver. Plus, they taste great in salads or smoothies. Next on the list, avocados. Not only are they creamy and delicious, but they also boost your liver's cleansing ability. Avocados are like a spa day for your liver. And last but not least, we have turmeric. This golden spice is a liver's best friend. It helps reduce inflammation and promotes the production of bile, which aids in digestion. Sprinkle it on your favorite dishes or sip it in tea. So there you have it. Beets, avocados, and turmeric, your liver's new best friends. Give them a try and keep that liver happy and healthy. Catch you next time.